Jopuonjre ma winjo donjo mbalariany koro nyalo chako oro kwayo ewi mbalariany ma gihero e giko dweni. Maendi oyangi kod jatend migao mar somo Migoso Ogamba mane lose od bura manyim komiti mar somo. Kaka Judith Omondi leronwa, Ogamba koni deko osebedo ne jopuonjre go kaluwore gi bura mane ochwal e nyim doho mano yango ni lai mane gitiyo godo e chwalo omenda ne jopuonjre ne nie tok chik.
Ne en twak mane okelo telo mar migao mar somo e nyim komiti mar od bura marango weche mag somo. Mae kinde mane jatend migao mar somo Migoso Ogamba oyudo penjo matek ewi deko mar jopuonjre mag mbalariany e oro kwayo ne mbalariany ma gichano donjie chakre dwe mar 8 higani. Ogamba olero ni deko mar chenro ni obedo nikech bura mane ochwal e doho mane oyango ni lai mar chwalo omenda ne jopuonjre ni tok chik.
Is because there was this issue of the court case. There was not clear understanding whether we should link the COOPS portal and admissions from funding, because the funding model that we have now is the one that the court said we don't. That discussion is being done. So what we did is we agreed that let the COOPS portal be opened first to deal with TVETs, which was done, and MTCs and all that, to avoid that situation like it happened last year when the portal crashed.
Kata kamano e giko mar dweni mar 3, jopuonjre mane oyudo grade mar mbalariany biro chako oro kwayo kendo kochopo dwe mar 9 to jopuonjre duto biro bedo e skunde kaluwore kod Ogamba.
So we agreed that towards the end of this month, the COOPS portal is going to be opened for university students. So we are working around what should happen in that area, including issues relating to, help, and the university's fund is supposed to be merged so that you have clarity. So those are some of the things that are being discussed. But what I can assure you is that the COOPS portal will be opened, the university students will apply, and in September, each and every student will be where they are supposed to be.
Ogamba bende ogolo pache ewi chal mar somo ne jopuonjre mag grade mar 9. Okoni onge report ma ibiro gol kapok paro duto oketie tim.
On the issue of the transition to grade 10, which is the senior school, we've had what we are calling county dialogues, where we were telling the stakeholders, parents, teachers, other stakeholders in the education sector, how the pathways are going to work and the regulations that the guidelines are being produced. That's why you are seeing this conversation that is relating to maths being compulsory or not being compulsory being discussed. It arose out of those dialogues, and we are working towards ensuring that the transition is understood so that when we are moving to senior school next year, people know exactly what it is.
Judith Omondi, Ramogi TV.